Time to put the filter on. I've got all the bolts snugged, 150 foot-pounds each. I mean inch-pounds, not. Just snugged them just right. And I went over them 3 or 4 times. Got the lockup solenoid in place. I don't know what it does or doesn't do. I should have everything. How many minutes I got left on memory? 3 minutes, 55 seconds. Got everything nice and snugged. Just right. Yep. Every bolt. Went over it a few times. It's probably a pattern to follow, but I didn't. I just did it from one side to the other. Time to put the filter on. Made in USA filter I've had for years and years. That's it. Now I'm going to put a drain plug in the pan because I might have this off again. Who knows? Who knows if I know what I'm doing? Look at the rust from brake fluid leaking down. Rust there and rust there, and the bottom of the door. I crawled out from under my hiding place and the bottom of the door. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Bottom of the door's got rust. Gotta keep up on this. Look at that. Just starting. This door always had a bit of, I got grease on my fingers, oil. This door always had a bit of rust. I sandblasted it off. Yeah, look at that. Just starting. Look at this. See? Gotta keep on it. Rust there. Yeah, rust there. Gotta keep on top of it. Got junk. Oh, it's sunny. Too bad the sun's going down. I'm trying to go to a car show in Vermont tomorrow. I gotta remove my radiator. 2-year warranty. It expires on Monday. Yeah, gotta get her done. Alright, back to business here. This fitting, I had to put 3 adapters on it to get it to work. POS. Chinese junk. We like the low price, but you never know what you get. You don't know what you get. Junk. Now I can lift it past the really pretty lines. Just hang it up here. See if we get past the really pretty lines. Got it. Whew. Junk. Clunk. There she blows. 2 years old and 3 days. In 3 days. At some point I ran out of memory. Camera shut down. I don't know where it was. It's too sunny. Look at the screen. It does definitely click. Listen to this. It's energized. Closed. Let's see if this stuff sprays out the side. Closed. Now, unenergized. Is it open? Open. Now if I attach the wire, it's going to go clunk. Listening? Click. So to review, open when energized. Is that right? I have a short memory. Open when energized. Closed when energized? I forget. Click. Energized. Energize it, it's closed. When you take away the power, I filled up the little funnel. Take away the power. Yeah, and it opens and everything drains out. Yeah. When you put power to it, I hope you can see this high up. When you put power to it, it goes click and closes. Or it opens. Better write this down. I got no memory. Normally open. Put the power to it. Click, and it closes. Yeah, energized. It's closed. Take away the power, and it opens. Normally open. Click. Normally open. Normally open. Yeah. Yep, open. See that? Put power to it. Closes. Oh. Take away the power. And it opens. Yeah. Put power to it, closes. In case you can't hear it click, I'll bring you in close. Normally open, so it closes. Now it's not clicking. It was clicking before. Closed. Open. Now it should click. Ready? I don't know if you can see this. Oh, it should click. Click. Normally open. You don't always hear it. Alright. I'm playing around here in the sandbox enough. Whoa, what a mess. Red, black. I gotta cut that now and splice it. Or test it on mine one more time. 8:30 at night. It's pitch black except for some security lights, and I just robbed the clutch fan off the Blazer over there because I was fluid filming this fan because my power steering pulley got rusty and I was turning the fan and it's hard to turn. And I look down here where the bearing comes out of the housing and I notice it's all rusty. The fan was about to fail. Hey, like that, it barely turns. And it's a lot easier to change it when the radiator is removed from the vehicle. I just mailed it away to Tonawanda. Rock Auto has something in Tonawanda. $38 to mail that monster radiator. Waste of money. $38 shipping to them, $12 when they shipped it to me, and it's junk. And I gotta pay shipping both ways unless I want one of their new ones, in which case they'd pay for shipping, but I don't want one of their junk radiators. So I'm gonna put back the old radiator, which is right here, which is a California radiator. Came in the truck when I bought it in California. It's a 3-tube. The new one was a 4-tube. Didn't make any difference though because it was still running hot. Maybe the engine's tired, I don't know. These lines were leaking. This stamped steel nut holds the engine oil cooler into the radiator, and that stamped steel nut wasn't tight, so I tightened it with my monster ratchet set. Now I'm changing the clutch fan. I'm going to put that radiator back in. Oh well. Let's see what I can do to find a better one. Maybe an aluminum one. They're really expensive. $700, $1,000. Problem is the external engine oil cooler makes it hard to find. Whatever. I can mail them one of my oil coolers and they'll integrate it into their radiator. So I'm going to take the nuts off this and change the clutch fan. 11 o'clock at night. Tighten up the last of the bolts. We got a major oil slick on the ground. Lots of cat litter. Oh, poor little cat. So many strays in this neighborhood. Alrighty, I'll put a drain plug in. And change the oil as well. And put in the old radiator that was in the truck when I bought it. Leaking a little bit. I'll fire this baby up. And one day I'll get a hoist so I don't have to lie on my back. Oh man, oh man. Fire her up and see if I've got any gears and maybe take her for a test drive and see if I have shifting like I didn't have when I pulled in here. Stuck in first gear unless I revved it a little too much and my clutch fan was junk. And, oh boy, speaking of junk,